So it's important to say that if you are interested in a specific type of geospatial information, like it could be process or feature or coverage, you can use one of the APIs that we've seen just now. But in many use cases, in real life applications, we are interested in many different resources, or maybe we are interested in some functionality within one type of resource. And this is why the OGC APIs were developed in discrete building blocks, which you can mix and match. So you can think of them as Lego pieces, and you can use just the pieces that you need, and you can combine them. You can use just one single piece, like for instance, you can use just OGC API features part 1, or maybe you need a little bit of features, and then a little bit of tiles, and then a little bit of processes. So the advantage of this is that you can really develop your own API, and then you can enable it to deal with geospatial data just by reusing the building blocks that you need. And there are already examples of use cases where people have done that. So they combine, they use, for instance, OGC API features part 1 and 3, and then OGC API tiles part 1 and 2, and then styles and so on. So if you are interested in learning more about the location building blocks and how they can enable geo-enable APIs, you can check the building blocks website, which is still on development, but it already contains information either about using models or parts of OGC APIs, or even what we call the more granular building blocks, which are even micro parts within each OGC API part. This website also includes what we call a building block register, and there you can search and check what are the available building blocks and retrieve some information about them, and check if this is what you need, and you can include them in your application.